Do you also own an e-commerce store and want to set an AI assistant on WhatsApp for replying to your customers' queries regarding product, delivery and return policies? Then you are at the right place. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up an AI assistant to answer customers' queries for e-commerce store. As replying to all of your customers' queries manually is a very time-consuming and hectic process. But we can do it in just 3 easy steps with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. In first step, AI agent is created. In step 2, user sends a message, and in step 3, automatically a reply is sent to them. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how to create this and how this works. Welcome back to my screen, store owners. Now before telling you how to set up an AI assistant to answer your customers' queries for your e-commerce store business, let me give you a quick real-time example of how it works. So on my screen you can already see this AI assistant integrated for you. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp screen and show you how it works. So here on my WhatsApp, I'll write a specific sentence to activate this AI assistant, that is, I need help. So here I got the reply. I am here to assist you. Could you please share more details about what you need help with, whether it's about tracking an order or making a return product information or something else. Just let me know how can I support you. So now I'll mention my question over here. That is, how can I track my order, and enter it. So now here they have sent me this reply. To track your order, simply go to my orders section in your account and click on track orders. This will show you the current delivery status of your order. Also, if you need any further assistance, I can also ask more questions. So I will move forward and ask one of the most common question, that is, what is return policy for an item, and enter this question. Now here as you can see, I have received this message. Our return policies allow you to return products within 7 days of delivery. The item must be unused and it is original packing. To initiate a return, visit my order section in your account and click to return item. So here as you can see, they're also giving me the step-by-step instruction how to do that. So now I will move forward and ask my third question over here, that is, what should I do if I receive a damaged product, and enter this question. So now here I again got a reply. If you receive a damaged or defective product, please contact our customer support with a photo of the item within just 48 hours of delivery. You can request either a replacement or a refund. If you need help with the process or any question, let me know. I am here to assist you. Now I have asked them, when is your customer support team available? Now they have sent me this message. Our customer service team is available from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday, excluding public holidays. If you need assistance during these hours, feel free to reach out. Also let me know if you have any further questions or queries. So similarly like this, if you also own an e-commerce store, you can easily answer all of your customers' query without manually doing anything. And the catch is you have to do no coding in this. So let me teach you the step-by-step process of creating this AI assistant. For creating a new AI assistant, firstly we have to open a new tab. Here on the search bar, we have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. It is a community where business owners and tech minds connect and share their work, solve their problems together and grow in real support and the ideas from the like-minded people. So this is our community and you can join it with the help of link mentioned in our description. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have two options. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we have landed on this page. Here we can see all the apps powered by Pabbly. We have to scroll down, go to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Now we are directed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the top right hand side corner, we can see this button, Add WhatsApp Number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can see two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly dashboard, here we have some icons. Let me tell you one by one what are they used for. First one is dashboard. Here we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Second, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from users in real time. Third one is contacts. Here we can manage contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Sixth one is broadcast. Here we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using templates. Seventh one is flows. Here we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. Eighth one is AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. We will be using using this today. Ninth one is activity logs. Here we can view logs of all our recent activities and response automate replies. On 10th one, we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. 11th one is get help. Here we can access for support, resource, tutorials and customer assistant. Now let me tell you how to create an AI assistant. We have to go on this AI assistant option, click on this. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we can start creating our AI assistant. Here we can train our AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems, and engage our customers effortlessly. So to start with the process of creating an AI assistant, firstly we have to go towards the right hand side corner of our screen and click on Add AI Assistant button. Now here in the Create AI Assistant dialog box, firstly they're asking for mentioning the assistant name. So I will mention a name over here like AI Assistant to answer customers' queries for e-commerce. And now I will click on this Add AI Assistant button like this. Now we have landed on this page. Here we can create and design our AI assistant. On the left hand side of my screen you can see this WhatsApp message box over here. We will design and create this today. Here on the top right hand side corner you can see the name of my assistant, and here on the left hand side we have all the features for designing, styling and creating a knowledge base to our AI assistant. So firstly we will move forward with the first feature, that is for AI instruction. So under AI instruction, firstly we have to select instruction type. So we will click on this box and come towards AI agent and select this as we are creating an AI assistant. Now here as you can see, automatically it have fetched some instruction for roles and constant. If you want, you can also change and modify this as per your business needs. Now moving forward, as I want to keep it same, so I will move towards this AI configuration. Here firstly we have to set the temperature of our AI answers. Here 0 means more focused answer and 1 means more creative answer. So I will keep it as 0.5 itself, which is neither too focused nor too creative. Moving forward, we have to select AI to use. So we will click on this box and select OpenAI like this. Moving forward, we have to select a model. So we will click on this drop down button and select GPT-4o mini like this. After that, we have to enter an API key. So to enter an API key, firstly we have to click on this OpenAI API key page over here in the blue text. Now we will be directed towards this page. Here we can create an API key. So for creating a new API key, firstly we have to click on this create new secret key button, and now here we have to enter the name of a test key. Also for the project, we have to keep it same as default project and click on this create secret key button. So here as you can see, we have successfully generated our API key. Now we have to copy this and paste it there in our Pabbly Chatflow. Now here we again came back to our Pabbly Chatflow AI assistant. Now here we will paste the API key which we got like this and click on this connect button. As you can see, open key saved successfully. Now we will move forward with AI assistant settings. Here we have options for header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt and fallback message. To enable any of these on, we have to toggle this button on and enter our message over here. As these are optional field, I will simply move forward, and here we have the fallback message. You can also modify and upgrade this fallback message as per your need, but I want to keep it same, so I'll simply move forward to my second feature, that is for adding a knowledge source. I will click on this, and now here we have to upload a file, but you have to remember that the file should be lesser than 90 MB and also have to be in .txt format. Here we will upload a unique business file which will help our AI assistant to answer back our customers regarding their queries and questions. So for that we will click here and select our AI assistant knowledge base. So here as you can see, my file uploaded and proceeded successfully. Also it is in .txt format. So successfully we have added our knowledge source. Now moving forward to our third feature, that is assistant interface. Here we can design our assistant. So firstly for that we have this header display heading name. Here we can give a heading to our assistant which will be shown here at this place. So firstly I will mention the name over here. As you can see, I have named it as e-commerce store and also have added these emojis which is clearly visible over here at the heading. Now moving forward, we have header display subheading name. Here it will be shown below the heading as the subheading, which is we are online and happy to assist you as default. We can also change and upgrade it, but I'll simply move forward to this initial message. Here we can also write an initial message of our own. We simply have to type it and also just enter it. So as you can see here, you can also add an initial message of your own. Now moving forward, we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. To enable this on, we can simply keep it like this, and to disable it, we have to click on this drop down button and select this disable. Here as you can see, it has been removed from my footer. footer. Moving forward to this footer text of privacy policy. So here on my footer, you can see this privacy policy blue text over here. As soon as a customer will click on this, automatically they will be directed towards this privacy policy link mentioned in the footer. If you want to remove it, you can simply do that like this, but I want to keep it same as it was earlier, so I will keep this privacy policy over here. Now moving forward to user first message. Here it is a very important aspect of this AI assistant, as this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. You can also change and modify this user first message as well, but as I want to keep it simple, I'll simply move forward with I need help. Now moving forward to our fourth and last feature, that is for styling our AI assistant. So firstly, we have the theme mode, that is light theme, which you can see on my screen. Also, we can do it as dark theme like this. We also have an option for assistant shape. We can also provide a shape to our assistant, that is circle, which you can already see, square, and also rounded square like this. Moving forward, we have assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp buttons color, primary chat bubble background color, primary chat bubble text color, footer background color, and footer text color. To change any of these color, you simply have to click on this circle over here like this and select a color of your own from here. Now moving forward, we have the option for header profile picture. Here you can also upload a profile picture which you want to upload, which will be shown here on this diamond icon. Moving forward, we have this assistant profile picture. We can also add a profile picture for our assistant, which will be shown over here. So like this, we have successfully designed, styled, and provided a knowledge base to our AI assistant. Now we have to toggle this button on to activate it and save our AI assistant by clicking on this button. So here, as you can see, AI assistant saved successfully. Now I will show you the steps how you can embed this AI assistant in your inbox. So for that, we have to move towards the left hand side of our screen and click on this inbox option over here like this. Here on the right hand side corner, you can see this choose AI assistant button. You have to toggle this button on like this, and here we have to select the AI assistant. So I will select the AI assistant to answer customer's query for e-commerce like this. And now we have to click on the save button. As you can see, AI assistant embedded successfully. Now I will again take you back to my WhatsApp. So as I have earlier told you that I have to write a specific sentence to activate my AI assistant, that was user first message, and that is I need help. So I will again simply enter it like this. So as you can see, I again received this message, I am here to help you. Could you please let me know specifically what you need assistant with? So I will again mention a question over here for you. That is, what are the shipping charges and delivery time? And enter this question. So here they told me about the shipping charges. That is, shipping is free for all orders above $9.99. For orders below $9.99, a flat shipping charges fees of ₹49 is charged. Order are proceeded within just 1 to 2 business days. Also, now I similarly ask one more question over here, that is, how do I reset my account password? Here I got this reply. To reset your account password, click on forget password on the login page. You will be able to reset your password using your registered email address. So like this, the AI agent have replied me with all of my queries. Similarly like this, it will reply to all of your queries of your customers easily without manually doing anything. So similarly like this, you can also create this AI assistant for your e-commerce store in just few simple steps. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.